Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Tonight I am quickly trying to pick up as much of the downstairs as I can. My husband just took our oldest daughter, Briley, to her gymnastics appointment, and I have the other kids getting ready for bed. They're all showering and getting dressed, so I'm just trying to get as much done as I can before Briley gets home, so that way we can spend a few minutes together before bedtime.
Me a whole lot better, a whole lot better, a whole lot better, a whole lot better. You've seen all my bad sides, yet nothing that I do seems to make you wanna run away. And I'm so thankful that you found me. Waist deep, thinking about you all the time like crazy, knowing you're here by my side. And I was doing fine on my own, but baby, you make me a whole lot better. A whole lot better, a whole lot better, a whole lot better, a whole lot better, a whole lot better.
Did you pack the flashlight, the blanket, and the map? It's a real adventure, the trail you're looking at. I'm glad you came. For a while I thought you might be bailing. Is that the same yellow shirt you used to wear? But 1,000 years seem like almost no time now. This guitar right here, do you still remember how I played for you? I was crappy, but you sang along, and I thought you knew I could die to keep you near. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff got nothing on you. That one's brand new. Still, it's got nothing on you tonight. I don't need to go over old and useless words. What you said, what I said, that might have made it worse. We're here again at the same spot where we kissed the first time. I swear my pain's for
My kids had painted today, so I was just cleaning it up. They had actually cleaned up most of the mess themselves, but they aren't able to reach where the paint goes, so I told them I'd put that away for them.
That one's brand new. Still, it's got nothing on you tonight. We could get back to this, catching up what we missed, or we could just relive that summer night. For all I can, we can spend the firewood till it's 10. Nobody's gonna force the morning. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That star's got nothing on you. That one's brand new. Still, it's got nothing on you tonight. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That star's got nothing on you. That one's brand new. Still, it's got nothing on you tonight.
white knuckles holding on it tight, keeping your feelings bottled up inside, heading for collision in the night. To really live, you gotta die. Breathe in, breathe out. Hey, come alive. Breathe in, breathe out. Look at the colors, colors, colors around. Moments pass, make this one count.
I usually run the dishwasher at night before I go to bed, and then I unload it in the morning while the kids are doing school. But today we had to head to the school for some activities, and so we just didn't have enough time this morning. So I'm just now getting to unloading the dishwasher.
All the laser, your doubts. There's a heart gone out of rhythm in despair. Hell underwater, fire for air. Breathe in, breathe out. Hey, come alive. Breathe in, breathe out. Look at the colors, colors, colors around. You got the white knuckles holding on it tight, keeping your feelings bottled up inside, heading for collision.
Do you guys have a system that you use to load and unload your dishwasher? I don't know. I've really enjoyed the system I've created, and I know that my kids are starting to get to the point where they can help load and unload, but I've just really enjoyed having my system, and I know when the kids come, it's just going to be, you know, however they can fit it in there. So I've just enjoyed this last little bit.
Breathe out. Hey, come alive. Breathe in, breathe out. Look at the colors, colors, colors around. Look at the colors, colors, colors around. Look at the colors, colors, colors around.
So it's getting close to Daxton's bedtime, so he's getting a little more needy. So I'm holding him here, and then you'll see him again later. The kids have tried taking turns holding him, but he just wasn't feeling it.
In my mouth is a desert, running dry on the tip of my tongue. I can taste your lies, how to measure the love you throw around. I could never hold you down. One of us will have to take a bow. Feeling you so close to me, we drive around. Everlasting love, so much to go around. You still here, I'm freezing cold, but I will wait. I hold my breath till I turn blue. I hope you know that I will never let you go. But if all I do is dim your glow and fly on, baby, please just go. Hope you know that I will never let you go. But if all I do is dim your glow and fly on, baby, please just go. I can feel you there. I once had you all alone. In the back of my mind, I'm feeling I will never let you go. My heart falls far below.
We watch the sun go down over the same old town, like so many times before. We look at the same old stars, battle the same old wars, like so many times before. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay, stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. Stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. If you stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay. We were never meant to last, but all the fun times we had, I'll never forget. We will always share a bond, no matter what, 'cause you have a piece of my heart. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had.
All right, Briley and Jared are about to get home, so I'm going to end the video here. I hope you guys all enjoyed. If you did, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you're new here, I would really like it if you would go ahead and subscribe. And I'll see you back here again in a couple days with a new video.